Today, I'm going to be going over everything when it comes to TikTok's manual bidding system. In this video, I'll be going as in-depth as possible when it comes to the best strategies and practices when it comes to your TikTok bidding. And if you haven't already realized, the manual bidding system on TikTok is extremely sensitive, and it actually takes some time to find the right level that you want to be at if you actually want to make a solid profit off your e-commerce store. So what we go over today is going to be super important and super crucial if you want to find even the slightest bit of success on this platform. So make sure to watch this video until the end. But no need to worry, I'm actually going to cut this video pretty short. I'm just going to give it to you guys as straight as possible. But if any of you guys could just do me one huge favor and subscribe to the channel if you want to see any more videos that are just so crucial to drop shipping, Facebook ads, TikTok ads overall. Also, if you didn't know, in about a week or so, I'll actually be announcing the winners of my free mentorship giveaway. So if you're interested in learning from me one-on-one and how I've been able to scale multiple stores to 5 figures a day, then make sure that you comment hashtag dropshipping down below and have left a like on this video because it really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. And obviously, you know, you'll be winning a free mentorship from me. But anyways, a lot of the times, if you're not launching your ads with the correct bid, in many cases, your TikTok ads just won't spend whatsoever, which is extremely frustrating. So I'm actually gonna pull you guys into my computer here where I actually have a few guidelines set up that I actually always follow no matter what I'm doing on TikTok ads. So let's just go in there. And obviously the first guideline is your starting CPA or cost per action range should actually be in between $15 to $25. And let's say, you know, maybe you're just selling a $15 product. In some cases, if I'm selling a product that cheap on TikTok, instead of actually setting a bid of $15 to $25, because I'm obviously trying to make a profit on this $15 product, I'd actually take 30% of my product sale price, so $5, and set that as the bid and see how that does first. In many cases, I'd assume your ads won't spend. Me personally, I've never sold even below a $30 product on TikTok. So for example, around 6, 7, maybe even 8 months ago, I was actually selling the Star Nightlight projector on TikTok. I'm sure you've seen it. It was a super viral product for a very long time. And I was selling this thing for around $60 to $65. I can't quite remember. But I remember on TikTok, I actually had the most success with a $20 bid. And that's because I just took 30% of the product's price and then set that at the bid. But obviously, in hindsight, this all depends on your product's price. And regardless of the 30% product sale price rule, typically, I'm always keeping this bid in between $15 to $25 whenever I'm just first launching my TikTok ads. And when you actually decide to find a lower cost per action or, you know, bid, the way that I actually do this is I actually duplicate my ad group and I lower my bid by around 20% and see if that new ad group with a lower 20% bid actually is going to work out. And if the bid that I'm currently working with is actually not spending with the ads, then what I'll actually do is I'll do the same thing just in reverse. I'll just duplicate the ad set and raise the bid by around 20%. So if you think it's time to find a lower bid, duplicate your ad group, lower the bid by around 20%. If you're not finding any success with your current bid, then what I'd actually do is duplicate the ad group again and raise the bid by 20%. So for example, let's just say you set a bid of $15 to $25 and you notice after a few days that it's just not spending whatsoever. If your bid was at $20, for example, I just set it to $24 after duplicating the same ad group because that is essentially a 20% bump in the bid. And the same goes for if you just want to maximize your profitability and possibly see if a lower bid will work, you'll just duplicate the ad group, drop it by 20%. And second to last, man, you just need to have patience when it comes to this platform, or honestly, any advertising platform. You have to understand that a lot of the time, or at least the first year that you're actually going to be running your store, a lot of that spend is just going to be going towards testing. And the more you test, the more you know. Keep in mind, within this first year period, you're going to be testing new creatives. You're going to be testing new interests. You might even be testing a few products within the same niche. And eventually, you know, your product, if it's a good one, will actually pick up in the algorithm as long as you just have a good creative. And last but not least, guys, you need to avoid editing your bid and targeting unless it's been 2 days since your last edit. Guys, this goes hand in hand with having patience. Your ads are not going to work on day one. I see way too many people launching ads, then freaking out that they haven't gotten a sale after only $5 spent on ads. And that's kind of an exaggeration. Usually people start to freak out around $50 spent with no sales, but that's still nothing in the grand scheme of things. Many times it takes a little bit more spend, more like 100, 200 to actually start finding consistent success with these advertising platforms, whether it be TikTok, Facebook, Google, Snapchat. It doesn't really matter. As long as you're just having patience and you're just testing a bunch of things, things will work out in the end. You just need to keep working smart and pretty much working as hard as possible. Anyways, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the simple guidelines that I have lined up for this video.